everyone, we're going to give a formula for the area of the plane region in terms of the single variable x. We have an isosceles right triangle with hypotenuse x and an isosceles triangle with two sides of the length 2x and one side of length x. So let's do the first one. We have an isosceles right triangle and the length is x. So we need to find these two lengths here so we can do the area equals 1/2 base times height. Using the Pythagorean theorem, I can say that a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So for us, these are the same because it's an isosceles right triangle. So that's going to be a squared plus a squared equals, and our c is x squared. We get 2a squared equals x squared. Divide both sides by 2, you get a squared equals x squared divided by 2. Solving for a, let's take the square root of both sides, and you get a equals x divided by square root of 2. So this is what a is, x divided by square root of 2, and I'll put it here too. Now we can use our area equals 1/2 base times height. So this is your base, this is your height. Your base equals your height, which equals x divided by square root of 2. Substituting it in, we're going to get 1/2 x square root of 2 times x square root of 2. This is going to be x squared divided by 2 times 2, because this equals 2 here, so this is going to equal x squared divided by 4. And that is your area in terms of the single variable x. Now the next one is an isosceles triangle with two sides of length 2x. So let's do it like this. We have 2x, 2x, and one side is just x. So again, we're going to have to use the formula area equals 1/2 base times height. If I draw, I need to find my height here. So I'm going to use this base. Now this part right here is 1/2 x. So to find my height, I'm going to use my Pythagorean theorem. Remember, this is the hypotenuse. So you have a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Therefore, we have a squared is going to be this, 1/2 x squared plus h squared equals c squared. So our c is 2x squared. All right. So h squared is going to equal 2x squared minus 1/2 x squared. And h is just going to equal the square root of this. So this is going to be 4x squared minus 1/4 x squared. Now I'm going to get my common denominator as 4. So this is going to give me h equals the square root of, if I have a 4 here, I have to multiply this by 4. So I'm going to have 16x squared minus 1 divided by 4x squared. This is 4. Okay, so we have h equals the square root. If you do the numerators, you're going to have 15x squared divided by 4 square root of 4. So this is going to give me square root of 15 divided by 2x x. Now we can substitute it in for our formula. area equals 1/2 base. My base is 1/2 x, or it's just x. Yeah, it's just x. Sorry about that. We take the whole base. So x times your height, which is square root of 15 divided by 2. Now this is x. So this is going to give you 1/2 square root of 15 divided by 2, x squared. And finally, we want to go ahead and multiply the 1/2 this, so you're going to get square root of 15 divided by 4, x squared. I'm so sorry I squeezed it all in. But that would be your final answer. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.